Police in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:21 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near western Dauphin Island, moving north at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Deer Island, Kissel Island, East Fowl River Bridge, Sand Island Lighthouse, Farewell Buoy, Middle Bay Light, Mississippi Sound east of Pascagoula, Battleship Park, Point Clear, and Dog River Bridge. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, and coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles. Title information.